Hi everybody, today's topic is chemical bonding and molecular structure. What is a chemical bond? The attractive force which hold various constituents, that is atoms, ions, etc. together in different chemical species is called a chemical bond. Here, sodium atom and chlorine atom join together forming a sodium chloride. What is valence electron? A valence electron is an outer shell electron that is associated with an atom and that can participate in the formation of a chemical bond. How does a chemical bond form? Here, the atomic number of sodium is 11 and its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Sodium has only one electron in its third shell or valence shell. So it has the tendency to give up their electron. Once it does, the remaining outer shell contains 8 electrons. This losing of electron gives sodium a slightly positive charge. The element chlorine tends to gain an electron from sodium. Since its outer shell already has 7 electrons, chlorine gains the electron and it becomes slightly negative charge. The charge on sodium and chlorine atoms called ions. Ions of opposite charge attract each other and form ionic bonds. The octet rule. What is oct? Oct means 8. Atoms tend to form bonds to achieve a noble gas electron configuration. Atoms that achieve this configuration have 8 valence electrons, or we can say when atoms have 8 electrons in their highest energy level, they are said to have an octet. Example, here we take sodium. The atomic number of sodium is 11. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. 3s1 is the outer shell of sodium. It has only one electron in its outer shell. The question is, how many electrons does sodium need to lose in order to have a full outer shell? Sodium needs to lose this one valence electron to have a full outer shell. If it loses its outer shell or valence electron, the second shell becomes a highest level. The total number of electrons in its 8. According to octet rule, it is an octet. Example 2. Here we take chlorine. The atomic number of chlorine is 17. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. 3p5 is the outer shell of chlorine. It has 7 electrons in its outer shell. The question is, how many electrons does chlorine need to gain in order to have a full outer shell? Chlorine needs to gain 1 electron to have a full outer shell. If it gains the 1 electron from any atom, it becomes octet. Third example, 2 atoms are here. One is sodium 11 and another one is chlorine 17. Sodium has 1 electron in its outer shell and chlorine has 7 electrons in its outer shell or valence shell. If sodium gives its valence electron to chlorine, they both satisfy the octet rule and they become bonded as sodium chloride. Some tips are here about this video. The word highest energy level shell, valence shell, outer shell, last shell, all these having same meaning and mentioning the outermost shell of an atom. Thank you for watching.